Welcome everybody, my name is Peter Sigurdson. I'm going to be your instructor starting on Monday for Introduction to AI and Data Science. You probably know, if you're following the technology, that this is one of the most exciting fields in the world to be in right now. Companies all over the world, and especially in Toronto, I know because I work in this area, are having a huge crunching need for people to handle the massive amounts of data that are flowing into them. And the companies that are successful are the ones which are doing the best job of that. So here we're going to be learning tools and professional practices such as actually used in industry. And you're going to come out of this class able to go into the job interview, speak knowledgeably about what's going on. They're going to ask, why should I hire you? And you don't need to know it all, but you just need to demonstrate that you have a little bit of familiarity with what's going on, why it's important and how it's done. They'll train you, right? Once you convince them that you're a serious player who's in there to get the job done and you know how to get started, they'll train you, and we're going to give you enough to be able to handle that. So we're going to start Monday at 9. Now the Zoom link is going to be open from 8 o'clock, and I encourage you to join in early, especially day one. Your computer might need to set up some software, download the latest Zoom and so on, so make sure you're ready to go. Be sitting at a proper table, have a notepad and pen handy, take notes. You must be on a computer, not a phone, because I'm going to be giving you worksheets and activities, and you cannot do those on a phone. You need to be in a situation which is attentive and ready to pay attention and do the work. So don't think that you can just sort of listen in on your phone while you're maybe like at another job or something. No, this is a very serious class. A lot of information we need to get across, so make sure you are in a situation where you can pay attention and give your full measure of paying attention to what we're doing. So I'm going to see you on Monday. Any questions, you have my email, and I'm looking forward to teaching you this most interesting of subjects. Have a nice weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.